I'm Rob Mars. I'm the packaging manager here at Sleeman Brewery in Guelph. Sleeman products are our primary focus, which is our premier brands. We have a bottle line, a can line, and a keg line. Primary focus at this time now is on our can line production volumes. The bottle line volume is probably about 400,000 hectoliters per year. The can line volume is upwards of 600,000 hectoliters a year, and our keg line volumes, although minor, is probably about 50,000 hectoliters per year. Well, where we were with the old palletizer that we had in here, we were limited on speeds and outputs that we were capable of running, and we'd have to slow the can line down, which at our stage with our volume and our can line wasn't a good thing. Since we've been installed this machine and working with it, we've been able to maintain our can speeds all at the same rated speeds, which was a higher output. So with the line, our can line now is running upwards of about 85% efficiency, and a big portion of that has to do with the palletizer that we now have in place. We had a chance to review several different pieces of equipment and different vendors, and then looking at other people that are currently using these models. We found that the Alvey was probably the most reliable, dependable, and on the operational side, the highest throughputs that we could see as well too.
Name is Ark Skupian. I'm the technical manager here at the Guelph Brewery. The Alvey 910 had all the features that we were looking for in terms of speed, flexibility of different packages. We always look for equipment that our people can work with, maintain it, operate it, live with, and this machine we felt was going to do that job for us. We've had it about 2 years now, and it's been a great success. With the machine, we also bought some training up front, so we ended up sending a small focus group to their factory. We also had on-site training on the use of the machine as well as the maintenance. We've had great service. Intelligrated does have a local office in Oshawa in Ontario, and we communicate with them frequently for parts, advice, technical information, or sometimes service. We find we can service this machine ourselves for most of what we need.
The Alvey 910, from an operational standpoint, uninterrupted, it can run for several hours. The key thing that we might run into is issues with the incoming materials being pallets and things like that, whereas the operator is actually able to leave the machine unattended and go and do other duties as required. If there is a situation that does occur, the machine has enough knowledge in itself to actually stop itself and alarm the operators that there is a problem with it. They can hear the audible alarm, and they'll come over and service the equipment. They did time studies in the length of time in between stops. And that was originally done when we did the equipment when it was first installed, and looked at the 910's performance from a reliability standpoint and the number of stops that we might have incurred during the course of time. That study now we use very little because the machine runs so reliable for us. We'll just use the data from the system itself to do an analysis of it and then go after correctives. The Alvey 910 has been working wonderful for us. It's increased our output. Again, it's given us the flexibility of increasing these different types of SKUs that we run on the machine, whereas the other palletizer we weren't able to do that. And again, the 910 is given us a higher output on the line itself. We're upwards of 850 cans a minute right now, running at 85% efficiency. Our end goal on our line is 1,000 cans a minute, which is just a stepping stone for us.